Hi everyone, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for stopping by for my meal prep video for lunch for this week. So for lunch, I'm going to be making a copycat version of PF Chang's chicken lettuce cups. I absolutely love these from PF Chang's, and I make this version that is so good, totally the same as PF Chang's. So I really wanted to have this for lunch this week because it's delicious and it's easy and you don't have to heat it for lunch. It's getting really hot out in the middle of summer. So I wanted to have this ready for my lunch for the week. It is super healthy. So I have ground chicken, and then for the lettuce cups, I get these lettuce boats. So they're just pieces of lettuce already ready to go. You can use butter lettuce. You can use iceberg lettuce, anything to give like a lettuce wrap that you can put the chicken mixture into will work perfectly. But so the ground chicken, and then all of these ingredients for my sauce, I'm going to be using, this is like a hoisin sauce. It's General Tao's sauce, sweet and spicy with soy sauce, vinegar, onion, and garlic. I get this in the Asian section of our grocery store, and it is delicious. So the sauce is also going to have soy sauce, white wine vinegar. I use this sriracha mayo. You can use regular sriracha, but I love the taste of this one. I also get ketchup that has no added sugar. There's tons of added sugar in so many processed condiments, so I always try and check those labels and always try and get this no sugar added ketchup. And then I have some honey. And for garnishment, I add on some sesame seeds, some green onion, but also in the chicken lettuce cups, I use water chestnuts. And I love water chestnuts. They are crunchy and refreshing, so good. So I add these to my chicken lettuce cups. I am going to get all of this ready to go, but before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Click the bell button next to subscribe, and also put a like on this video if you are here for some meal prep motivation. This is the place to be. I love meal prepping, so I have tons of meal prep ideas on my channel. So if you're new, go check those out. I'm gonna get lunch already prepped for the week now. All right, so everything is ready to be portioned out into my meal prep containers. If you've been around my channel, you know I use these for everything, my favorite meal prep containers. I'll put a link to these in the description box. They're from Amazon, but they're my favorite by far. So I am going to put in a few lettuce boats into each side, and then I'm gonna put the chicken mixture onto the sides so that it doesn't get the lettuce soggy, and then these will be good to go all week long. right, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seed, a little bit of green onion, and then these are all ready and so delicious. Such an easy, like at-home PF Chang's dish if you're craving a little PF Chang's but don't want to go out. And it's a little on the pricey side also. This is so quick and easy, and it's totally budget friendly also. Really great lunch to have meal prepped for the week. Hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you need more meal prep motivation, nice, easy, healthy meals to be organized and ready for the week. So now this is all ready to go. I hope that you have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.